This is one of those situations where I know I don't have enough time, and I'm gonna try not to press too much. So I'm gonna assess the situation, just see. I've got about an hour, maybe a little bit less of sunlight, and so we'll see. I don't know, but we'll give it a try. Oh, as I'm learning from plenty of YouTube boat videos, what started out as a get it done in 20 minutes project is turning into a get the drill, get the saw, and finish it on Sunday project. So here's what we got going on. I've tried to get this cotter pin out. Soft aluminum, so I nicked that a little bit, and basically this thing is just corroded in there. So I'm gonna have to cut it here and here, and then or here and there. We'll figure that out and get a drill, and then just basically take it in and get that out. So my first project turned into a boat project, turned into a can't get it done tonight project. As you can see, the sun has set. Well, take two. Went and got a Dremel, and we're gonna cut that pin out, and then we are going to get the mast up today. So without further ado, let's turn a boat project into a real boat project and get this mast up. I just can't even tell if that's moving. Success! I got the clevis pin out, got the new clevis pin installed, and got my backstay rigging all set up. I'm ready to start raising the mast. Turns out the mast wouldn't go up that night. In fact, it took over a month for me to get the mast up. When I raised the mast, I discovered I had the wrong backstay. I had ordered one not knowing exactly what parts I needed, and I ordered a single backstay instead of a double backstay. I had to send the parts in and have some rigging made up for my boat. So, unfortunately, she had to sit in the water for a month with no mast.